Alright, so I got the housing, both ends cleaned out. Here's the back one. So I think it's got rollerless bearings in there, basically. Interesting thing on this tab that sticks off here with those two screws that retain it, that correlates with this slot here. So that sets the angle of the brushes on the backside here. So actually, if you turn and rotate that, it locks these in. I think there's like a 15-degree difference or something. You rotate these one direction or the other, and it actually changes the rotation of the electric motor. This one's already been set up this way for many years, but that's how that works. Anyway, you just take those two. There's no rewiring. You just got to basically take those two screws loose from the backside, and then, or from the outside of it, and then rotate that, and it changes that. So each of these sides has a little rubber sealing washer that slide onto the shaft there, and then a stack of shims. I think each side had like 5 shims or something like that. I just cleaned them up, re-oiled them, and then they'll slide right back on up to the shoulder here once I get and then slide the cover back on. Backside, front side was the same way. I just got that all put on there, and then cleaned up the inside of that pulley and oiled it, and that slid right on. Then it's got a key slot that'll go in the end, and then a lock set screw there. So I already got the inside of the housing all cleaned up, and basically it's ready to slide this thing on there, and then I'll put the bushings or the washers and stuff back on, the spacers on the back side, and then put that back cover on and run the 4 retaining bolts back all the way through it. We should be ready to fire up.